Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable your built-in webcam on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right-click on the Start button and select Settings. You want to select Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, you want to go down to underneath App Permissions, and you want to select Camera. You want to go ahead and just toggle the camera to the off position, and that's all you have to do. So just make sure the master control is turned off. Alternatively, if you close out of here and you went through the Start menu search or the search menu and you search for Device Manager, best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to go and expand the camera section if you have one in here. So again, if you had a camera, you'd expand it and then right click on the item under it, select Properties, and then you would select the Details tab, and then you would select the Driver tab, and you would select Disable Device. So that's an alternative way of doing this as well. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.